Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change notification sound on your Viber account. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Viber on your phone. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, tap on Settings. Then go to Notifications. Now tap on Notification Sound. Tap on the down arrow beside Advanced to expand more options. Now go to Sound. Scroll down the list, and tap the sound you want to set for your Viber notification. And simply go back. That's it. The notification sound has been changed. So in this way, you can change notification sound on your Viber account. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.